So, nasa rooftop pool tayo ngayon dito sa MOV Hotel. Apartment unit mo na with that amazing view. Tingnan mo.
Ang sarap, guys.
Hey, thank you. Nice to meet you, sir. Finally guys, we arrived here at our hotel. That's MOV or Mauve Hotel. Welcome to Kuala Lumpur guys. Yes, we made it here in Malaysia. And this is our hotel. This is the MOV or Mauve Hotel in Kuala Lumpur City Center. We booked this one on Klook, so let me give you a hotel tour. So this is the most basic room type here. So we got the double bed. It's very spacious and I like the design of the hotel room. Actually, the entire hotel, I like the design. Medyo stylish siya. And we booked this for only 2,400 pesos per night. That's already for the two of us. So if dalawa kayo, pwede maghati. So this is their table. Pwede itong vanity or work table. Meron dyan electric kettle with free bottled water, tea, coffee, and meron chair dito and drawer. Ang dami din socket for charging and ang ganda ng mirror. The beds are really clean, soft, and comfy. Meron TV, it's full air conditioned and with strong Wi-Fi connection. Kaso lang wala siyang mini fridge for this room type. And wala din siyang closet but you have hangers for your clothes. And the best part of this room is the view. It has a city view. Ang laki din ng windows niya but at the same time meron siyang blinds to make sure na hindi masyadong maliwanag, especially at daytime. For their toilet and shower, ang ganda din. I like that it has a sliding door, maximizing the space. Meron siyang bidet. Ang ganda din ng mirror. Nag-iiba din yung ilaw dyan. Depende sa preference nyo. Andito din yung safe, meron slippers, and of course, toothbrush and toothpaste. And ayan, meron din palang hair dryer. For the shower area naman, meron siyang division. And I like that para siyang shell shape. It has, of course, a shampoo and body wash. And that's the entire room tour. This will be our home while staying here in Kuala Lumpur. Don't forget to use my Klook promo code MJSKlook to get discount whenever you book your hotels and activities and tours via Klook. Guys, so nasa rooftop pool tayo ngayon dito sa MOV Hotel. Ayan, ang ganda ng view ng rooftop pool. Kaso sobrang init lang ngayon. Siguro by night time, sobrang ganda din dyan kasi yung night lights ng city lights sa buildings. Tapos eto siya, andyan yung rooftop pool and then merong tambayan dito, saktong-sakto. Ang ganda ng hangin from here. This is sa 15th floor ng building. Ayan, nagsiswing ako ngayon dito. Merong shower room doon after mo mag-pool. Tsaka merong sky lounge. Explore natin yan. So guys, we're inside the Sky Lounge. Ang ganda din ng view dito. Pwede ka magtambay dito and then meet anyone, talk to anyone na naka-check-in dito. I'm wondering bakit walang nakatambay dito kasi it's just ang ganda ng vibes, nakaka-relax. It's very cozy. Parang apartment unit mo na with that amazing view. Tingnan mo. Sobrang solid ng hotel na to, I should say. And then, I can't imagine walang taong nagtatambay dito ngayon. Just tingnan nyo naman yung view na yan, guys. And I'm also thinking baka ang ganda din naman talaga ng view ng mga hotel rooms. Mas cozy pa, perfect for matulog kasi sobrang init sa labas. Pero, ang ganda dito. Sobrang chill lang. Chill lang vibes with that view. Sarap. Baka makakatulog ako dito. So this is the hotel's basement. They call it the Moonshot basement. And ang gandang tambayan din. If they have like the Sky Lounge, meron ding basement and pwede ka rin like recreational room. Merong I think that's Chinese checkers. Merong chess. At saka etong I forgot what's this called. Etong yan. And then merong sungka. I didn't know this is played. I thought this is sa Philippines lang, pero may sungka, may TV, may mga couch, merong mga beanbags, at saka ito yung pinaka-exciting part. May slide. This is a slide coming out from the ground floor going to the basement. If gusto mo nang dumiretso and then you don't want to take the elevator. And this is not only for kids, this is also good for adults. So pwede ka mag-slide. So how entertaining is that? This one, I'm not sure. I think hindi siya, tinatrabaho pa siya. But I think this may be created as like a bar. I'm not sure ha. Kasi parang kino-construct pa siya. So that's the basement. Ang ganda. Ang chill. Pwede ka mag-slide dito. Mag-slide ako dito later. So it's a recreation room talaga. You can do like watch movie, meron projector. Maybe you just wanna ask them if anong ipi-play na movie dyan. Solid. Merong books here. Ayan. So we'll explore it later. Maybe mga sa gabi. And you know what? Let's try the slide. Pupunta ko ngayon sa ground floor. Magsa-slide ako. Anyway, I have this camera. Let's do that. That was fun. Akala ko dire-diretso na ako. Pero may slippers or parang nag-hold back siya kasi this is rubber. So nagbe-break siya. Nagbe-break yung... It helps sa pag-break yung slippers ko. So we're back here sa basement from the ground floor. You just need assistance from the security guard or someone from the front desk. Guys, so kakalabas lang namin. So we're going out really quick for a quick lunch. Puro quick, no? So kakalabas lang namin for a quick lunch. Ang daming makainan dito sa labas. Like merong restaurant, meron din parang carinderia type, at saka actually marami. So Ariel told me that he will let me try like yung carinderia type here kasi masarap daw yung mga food doon. At the same time, parang siyang buffet type na mamimili-mili ka lang, gano'n. And titimbangin ba, ye?
Ganang parang judgment, subjective yung pag-ano.
Subjective yung pag-pricing daw. Pero mura
parang
naman.
buffet, kuha ka, then sila na yung parang magka-calculate kung how much yung
But it's not that
nakuha mo.
expensive naman.
Okay.
Let's go na kasi it's 1:30 p.m. I am also getting hungry. So let's go. Ayan guys, so nakahanap na kami ng makainan. Eto ba? Dito? We're gonna eat here. So ayan, eto yung sabi mo.
Dili actually, pero
Ayan guys, so kumukuha na lang kami ng food. And then like kami lang yung nag-proportion kung gaano karami. And then we will ask later kung magkano yung price. Ayan yung food ni Ariel guys. For me, I only like got two variety. Ito, I think this is biryani rice with lamb and then beef curry.
Oh my God. Grabe ka tender sa lamb. Ang sarap guys.
Itong biryani na with lamb, sobrang lambot ng lamb, sobrang sarap. Like no joke. Yung curry beef din, masarap din siya. Ang sarap para makapag-add pa ako ng more. Ano yung order mo, Ye?
Biryani, beef curry, and
Vegetable?
vegetable.
Meron din silang fresh fruits, guys. Ayun. 8 ringgit yung mango, orange, except dun sa pomegranate is 20 ringgit. So, sobrang sarap niya, guys. Gusto ko pang mag round 2 kaso since walang pricing, I'm not sure kung yung isang plate ko how much it costs. So hopefully hindi naman ganun ka-expensive. Pero super solid ng food na to. Sobrang sarap. Thank you. So I got mango juice, fresh juice. Ang tamis. Masarap siya. And alam nyo guys, grabe accommodating nila. Like, pagdating namin dito, in-entertain kami. Like, halos silang lahat, they tried to entertain us. Malapit lang pala to sa hotel, mga few steps lang. It's VIP Roshona Village. You will know this store kasi magkatabi-tabi yung parang colorful na stores na pa-uphill. Isa to sa colorful na mga houses or stores. So it's the VIP Roshona Village. Ayan. Simot na simot. This is your specialty?
Especially the special biryani, beef biryani.
Ah, yeah. I love it.
This one beef biryani. This one butter rice.
And the other one?
This one chicken kurma, chicken roast.
Chicken roast. And the last one?
Vegetable khichdi.
Ah, okay. Thank you so much. We're just staying nearby. And we might be eating again the other day. Thank you so much, sir. I'm MJ.
Nasi.
Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you, sir. Sobrang bait nila. Actually, meron pa silang maraming dessert here. Yung kinain ko na lamb na biryani is, yun pala yung specialty nila. Yung in-order ko, tsaka in-order ni Aye or Ariel, we ordered like, we only paid like 43. So, pag i-divide mo yun, parang 20 each. Thank you. Parang 20 ringgit each lang kami. So, pag i-convert natin yan to peso, so tag 279 pesos kami. Pero honestly, I think mas mura yung sa akin kasi I only ordered like dalawang options, maybe like 20. So, about 200 to 300. So, 279 pesos. Sobrang okay na yun for that meal kasi lamb meat, where do you get lamb meat na ganun lang yung price sa atin, di ba? So, and then biryani rice is also expensive. Ayan, ang daming mga makakainan dito. Must try nyo yun guys. Sobrang solid yung lunch na yun. Try nyo yung restaurant na yun, especially if you're checking in nearby or especially you're checking in sa MOV Hotel or Mauve Hotel.